In this video, I am going to explain how to install HP Deskjet 420C printer on your computer. To install this printer on your computer, you will require its driver. Let's see which driver you will require and where you can download. Look, this driver you will require. This is the basic driver and you will require this driver while installation when we install it manually, right? So you can download this driver from the video description below. I have given the download link in the video description. So please check out the video description. After download, just right click on that file and click on extract to. It will create a folder like this which contains the driver file, the basic driver file. This file you will require prn hp001, right? So please close it for now and remember the location of this folder. We will use this location when we require drivers, right? So minimize it. Let's start installing the drivers. Just right click, click on start menu and click on settings, then click on devices and click on printers and scanners and click on that button, plus button, add a printer or scanner. Click on that. After that, click on this option. The printer that I want is not listed here. Click on that. After that, it will open up a printer installation wizard. So please follow the following steps. Choose the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on that and then click on next. Here you need to choose the port where your printer is connected right now. So make sure your printer is connected and turn on. I recommend you to choose USB 001 port. Click on next. Here you need to click on have disk. It will require a driver. We will give a driver path, driver file here. Click on have disk and click on browse and go to the location where we have extracted the drivers. We are going to location on our desktop, this one. Select that file and click on open, then click on OK, then scroll down and choose the option HP Deskjet 420. This one, here it is. Click on that and click on next. Here you can change the name of your printer. If your printer has C, then type C here, right? So 420 is the main series printer. It will work with 420C printer as well. So don't get confused between both of them, right? So both are using the same driver, 420 driver. Click on next. It is installing the drivers. Choose the first option, do not share this printer, and click on next. The printer has been installed successfully, as you can see. Click on finish. As you can see on your screen, the printer has been installed successfully. I hope you will install the printer using the same way. That's it for now. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.